Alright, project today, fellas, is that valley that runs up from the roof there down and into the corner is got rust in it and it's leaking. So I'm just going to show you how to replace that. Very easy job. It would take about half an hour if you're quite good with your tools. Alright, we'll start. So we're just going to take the tiles off and put them in line with each other across so that you can access the valley. Obviously that's probably the most laborious part of it. Okay, so you can see we've moved all the tiles. I generally put them on the same row as the ones I've removed them from, so you can't get lost when you're putting them all back in. And you'll see where the valley really needs repair. Need to put some silicone on there to stop it leaking in the meantime. You can see if I can find it. There it is. There's holes in it, and that continues all the way up. It's getting old. So now what you'll find with these valleys is under here they nail them. So let me find one of these nails for you. Okay, so when they put in a valley, they will nail it. You can see there. So we're going to pull those out and just replace them. That's how easy it is. And I'll show you how to re-nail them. Alright, so I'm having to do this one-handed. But the nail is just there. It should just be a clout. It could be a screw, whatever. Whatever it is, you just got to remove that, like so. And now you will see that this, and every now and then they'll have two little nails down here. It's not needed, but people tend to do it. But now you see, just lifts off. There. There's your next one, and there's your next one. Now, you'll see at the top, there's a little join. We're not going to do a little join there. We're just going to cut it and slide it under. Okay. So there you have it removed. All the old valleys there and the new ones. Now we will put in the valleys, take them up, and then we're going to slide it up and under there and under those tiles. The reason we haven't done that very top bit is because you've got to break all the ridges to do it. So if you're doing your ridge caps, you can do that, but it's also generally the least affected by the weather because it doesn't hold any of the dirt and that. The water just runs straight off it and it gets the least amount of water. So that's why we're not doing that. It'll slide up, go well under that, right up to the top there where that join is, so you won't even have to worry about it. I know it's dark. I don't know whether you can see that join right there. Okay, but that's where it's going to go right up to. Okay, let's get onto it. Okay, now the cut for the new valley, because the bottom of it, if I can do it, I'm going to have to turn on you, has to go into the gutter obviously. Okay, so we're going to cut it on 245s from the middle here. So we're going to cut like that and like that. I'll show you that in 2 seconds. So there's your cut, and you will see it works because as it comes down, we need to bring that down and put it into the bottom like so. And you want to give it, well, probably a good 50 mil into the gutter, and it's going to run all the way up. So we're going to center it. Bear in mind I'm doing this one-handed, people, so it's a lot quicker using two. So I figure if I can do it one-handed, you guys should kill it doing it too. I'm going to put it there. And with two clouts, oops, sorry, my hand went in front of it. With two clouts, we're going to put one there and one there. Give me 2 secs. Okay. So you have both clouts in, you can see. Now, watch what I got to do. I'm going to come down probably about 100, maybe 200. Okay, and I'm just going to knock the outsides out a bit, like so. Oh. It's a lot easier doing this with one hand. Grab your next valley. To put him back down. And just going to slide in like so. Okay, now he's in. Give this a little tap. Tap over. 2 secs. This one here. Tap over. Okay, so the water can't ever get at those nails. We come up. We're going to turn around. We're just going to line it up. So it goes straight down. Maybe a little bit more that way. And now I'm going to put one clout in there. Do the next one. Okay, now I'm going to show you how we do the top bit. You can see that. The good thing is this valley's slightly wider than that valley. Make sure you can get some that's slightly wider. Okay, so we're coming up. Bear in mind I am doing this all one-handed, so please excuse the shaky filming. That's going to go under here, like so. Under there, if I can. Under there. Goes down and on. And this one is on. Okay. So you see we've got it under. We're just going to kick it up as high as we can get it. Lift him a little bit because he seems to be stopping it. Okay, nice. Now we come back down and I've tapped that up. See, I've tapped up one side. So now slide him in, tap him across, push down on this side, like so, and we're just going to tap that one over. Lift this corner up, put a nail in there, and you're done. Okay, so you can see valley goes into the gutter, and now goes all the way up. It slides under the existing, and the water will run down because the valleys are underneath. So you always start at the bottom and work up. Okay, the water will run on top of all the valleys and it won't even see the nails. So we're just going to replace all of the tiles and then you're done. There you go. Tiles back on. Valley has been replaced, all the rusted sections. It's good for another 20 years. Now, probably the hardest part of that job is taking the tiles off and putting them back on. Now we just got to get rid of the old stuff. All right. Hope you enjoyed. Hope it's helpful. And give it a go in your own house.